So what we're going to show you is a demonstration on the Leidenfrost effect. Now, what is the Leidenfrost effect? You may have seen it in your own home. If you take a really hot pan and you drop a bead of water on that pan, you might notice that that water bead floats around on the pan. But why is that? Well, the pan has a significantly hotter temperature than the water bead. So when the water bead hits the pan, it starts to vaporize instantly, and it creates a cushion of layer underneath the water, which causes it to float on top of the pan for a significant period of time until all the water is eventually evaporated. Now we're gonna go see that in action, but with methane. So here I have this bucket of soapy water, and it is attached to this tank filled with methane. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pump some of this methane gas into this bucket. And that's gonna create bubbles filled with methane. Now watch what happens when I take this lighter and I light the bubbles. 3, 2, 1. Woo! So we get a really, really big pillar of flame. Now, do you think it would be smart for me to grab some of those bubbles, put it on my hand, and then light my hand on fire? No. Probably not. But let's do it anyway and find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Obviously I'm fine. But why am I fine? Well, that's because when I dipped my hand into the bucket, I made sure to grab some water as well. So that water protected my hand from a fraction of an instant from the flame. So the flame gets really, really hot, it causes the water to vaporize, and that protects my hand. We call this the Leidenfrost effect. So I can do this as many times as I like, as long as I make sure to grab plenty of water. Woo!